Picture this. It's 2031. You're reflecting on the last 7 years, and you're in awe of how far you've come. Whether you're here in 2024 setting life-changing goals or revisiting this as your journey unfolds, this video is for you. Together, we'll map out 14 powerful steps to set meaningful goals, stay motivated, and make sure future you is as proud as possible of the steps you take today. Number 11 is very important. Number 1. Choose a time with significance. Why 7 years? It's a powerful number that resonates across history, culture, and spirituality. But you can choose any time frame that has meaning to you. 5 years, 8 years, or even a decade. The important thing is that it allows you to envision growth without overwhelming you. Set a timeline that motivates you and reminds you of how much can change. Number 2. Choose your guiding compass. Every journey needs a map. To map out your next 7 years, we dug into academic research and discovered that only 2 tools consistently met all the criteria to balance personal and professional life goals. One of them, the Wheel of Life, is simple but effective. It divides your life into essential areas, relationships, health, finances, and career, and helps you see where you stand and where you want to be. Tailor it to your life so that it's flexible and specific. Number 3. Embrace a motivating philosophy. Find a philosophy that resonates deeply with you. Quotes like Tony Robbins, "Where focus goes, energy flows," can remind you to center your energy on what truly matters. Post reminders in places you'll see every day, like your bathroom mirror or computer screen. A motivating philosophy is a small but impactful way to keep going when times get tough. Number 4. Decide where to document your journey. Your goals need a home. Write your goal manifesto in a safe place. Use Google Docs, create a physical journal, or spread reminders on Post-its around your living space. Think of it as a backup system for your dreams, ensuring that wherever you are, you'll always have a reminder of your purpose. Number 5. Create your goal manifesto. Your manifesto is more than just a list of goals. It's a powerful statement of what matters to you. Think of 5 key life pillars you want to develop: finances, physical health, emotional well-being, relationships, and intellect. Describe your current status and where you aim to be in 7 years. This exercise will give you clarity, purpose, and a solid plan for the years ahead. Number 6. Add timelines and action steps. Research shows that people who outline clear action steps are far more likely to achieve their goals. Start with your big goals for each life pillar and break them down by year and by quarter. For example, if your goal is to save $100,000, you could set year-by-year targets and smaller monthly savings goals, like $400 per month, and then watch as your savings grow. Number 7. Plan for celebration milestones. Make your journey enjoyable by planning celebrations at key milestones. Rewards don't need to be extravagant. Plan small experiences that make you feel accomplished, like a weekend getaway or a day off for relaxation. Celebrating keeps you motivated and makes the journey more fun. Number 8. Avoid getting bogged down in details. When planning long-term goals, it's easy to get lost in too many details. Instead, focus on big-picture actions and commit. Avoid filling your manifesto with unnecessary details and perfect plans. Choose a course, set up an account, sign up, and keep it simple. Action beats analysis every time. Number 9. Start with a trial month. Before fully committing, give yourself a month to test out your plan. Start implementing your goals with the understanding that it's a trial run. This will help you gauge your bandwidth and learn where you need to make adjustments without overcommitting right away. Number 10. Make adjustments. Only after your trial month should you assess what's working and what isn't. Adjusting is not a sign of failure. It's about finding a sustainable pace. For example, if you planned on working out 6 days a week and found it unmanageable, shift it to 3 days. This step allows you to set realistic, achievable goals. Number 11. Lock in Phase 1. Commit to Phase 1 by making it official. Sign up for that gym membership, enroll in that course, or join that club. When you put resources into your commitments, you're more likely to follow through. You're investing in a better future, so take the steps that signal your dedication. Number 12. Integrate goals into your routine. Adjust your routines to incorporate your goals without alienating yourself from friends, family, or your social life. For instance, if you want to work on fitness, add it to your existing morning routine rather than reshuffling your whole life. This way, you can maintain a balanced life and avoid burnout. Number 13. Broaden your horizons with related content. Your goals aren't limited to a single perspective. If your goal is financial growth, explore topics like psychology or personal stories around money. Engaging with different perspectives adds richness to your journey, making it enjoyable and multidimensional. Number 14. Embrace change when needed. Long-term plans are bound to evolve. If a goal or path starts to feel uninspiring, it's okay to adjust it. Growth doesn't mean you're locked into the exact steps you started with, as long as you're still moving toward your broader vision. When you reach the end of your 7-year journey, take a moment to reflect. Look back on everything you've accomplished and the lessons you've learned along the way. Celebrate, recharge, and start dreaming of what the next 7 years could bring. Bonus tip: write a letter to your future self. At the start of your journey, write a letter to your future self. Reflect on who you are, why you're pursuing these goals, and what you hope to achieve. Websites like futureme.org can store it and send it to you years later. This letter will be a profound reminder of how much you've changed and grown. Starting now could transform your life by 2031. Take these steps, customize them, and keep coming back for motivation and guidance. You have the tools you need to create a remarkable life journey, and future you will thank you for it. If you enjoyed what you have just heard, then click the subscribe button, like and share this video so others can get their self right.